Sending money abroad has never been easier thanks to WorldRemit Online. Whether you want to support family, pay for services, or invest overseas, WorldRemit provides a seamless, fast, and secure platform to transfer money from your phone or computer. With instant transfers, transparent fees, and multiple payout options, it has revolutionized the way people send money globally. WorldRemit allows you to transfer funds directly to bank accounts, mobile wallets, and even cash pickup points in over 150 countries. Unlike traditional banks, the process is fully digital. No long queues, no complicated paperwork, just a few clicks, and your money reaches the recipient in minutes. Here's how you can maximize your experience with WorldRemit Online. First, take advantage of the multi-currency transfer feature. You can send money in different currencies without creating separate accounts. This helps save conversion fees while reaching loved ones in their local currency. Second, explore the scheduled transfer option. Instead of sending money immediately, you can schedule future transfers, perfect for recurring payments like school fees or rent abroad. Third, use the refer and earn system. By inviting friends to WorldRemit, both you and your friend can enjoy bonus credits on your next transfers. Alright, so fourth on our list is enabling push notifications. You see, not only do they keep you updated about your transfer status in real time, but you also get those exclusive promotional offers and discounts on transfer fees. Pretty handy, right? Moving on to the fifth point, check for seasonal cashback offers. You know, certain countries and payment corridors often feature these limited time promotions. It's like getting extra value for every transaction. Who wouldn't want that? Now, let's talk about security and customer support. Security is WorldRemit's top priority. Every transaction is encrypted with advanced technology, making sure your money is safe until it reaches the intended recipient. And if you ever have any concerns or queries, the customer support team is available round the clock, ready to assist you. So to wrap things up, with WorldRemit Online, sending money abroad is not just a transfer, it's a hassle-free experience. It's designed for modern users like you who demand speed, safety, and convenience.